In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display breadcrumb navigation links in WordPress. Breadcrumb navigation tells users where they are on a website relative to the homepage. This breadcrumb trail is then also displayed in search results, which makes your website stand out. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Breadcrumb Nav XT plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Then go to Settings. The default settings should work for most websites. However, you can customize the settings as needed from here. Some of the most popular WordPress themes come with a built-in option to display breadcrumb navigation by choosing Breadcrumb Nav XT or your WordPress SEO plugin as the source. For instance, I'm using the Astra theme. So if I go to Appearance and then click on Customize, I have the breadcrumb option here. I'll just click on it. And right now it's not displayed, so I'll just open a post in the preview. Now if I change the header position from None, you can see that the breadcrumb is now displayed. You can choose where you want to display it from here. Then in the breadcrumb source, select Breadcrumb Nav XT. And that's it. This is how you can display breadcrumb navigation links in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.